Praisers and Savers. I had a horrible trip to Walmart. And I know you don't want to hear that starting off watching the video, but just stay tuned because not every coupon and scenario that you do is going to be amazing. I'm taking my glasses off. It's going to be absolutely amazing. There's going to be hiccups, and that's okay. So I think I had like 35 items on my list. I had like so many items on my list. It's a printable breakdown in the description box. I had 35 items, and by the time I left there, I think I had deleted almost everything except for 5 items. And it wasn't great, but I made do. And you're not always going to get everything for free, is what I tell people, or you know, a moneymaker, or free, or almost free. You're going to pay for things sometimes, but I got things I needed and things that would be helpful. And, you know, sunscreen and stuff. Like I got some little sunscreen block thing. Those things aren't always free and cheap. I think it was like $8 at the store, and I got a good deal on it. But stay tuned in the video, watch what I did, and just realize, you know, you're not always going to come out the store, you know, with the cheapest and the freest thing. It's just not going to happen. So comment in the description box anything great that you got at Walmart this week, and so I might go in the store and try to get it as well. The first thing I'm going to get is the Great Value pasta. That's 82 cents. There is a 10-cent any item IBOTTA, making this 72 cents per box. You can also get, like, you can get any of the pastas that you want, but I'm just going to get the cheapest one for today. So the Penoline is still going strong on Swag Bucks, and it actually goes on until June the 30th. I've been trying to pick up some of these every time I come in. So what the deal is, you buy 3 of these Penolines, and that's going to be 500 in Swag Bucks, which is $5. So essentially, you're only really paying for one of them. You're getting 2 free and only paying for one of them. So 500 Swag Bucks for 3 bottles of Penoline, and it continues on till June the 30th. I like to buy the Gain Liquid dish detergent. Ooh, there's a big fall over there. But this is not a good deal to me. So these are $1.87, and I have these coupons that are $1 off 2. And that's not a great deal for me because usually we get the $1 off 1. So I'm going to leave those coupons for somebody else who may need them, but not a go for me today. I know everyone is loving the Skintimate and Chic coupons that are out right now. Now this Edge Shape Gel is $2.87. There is a $1 off coupon that came out last week, and there's also a $1 rebate in Ibotta. So it's going to make this 87 cents each, and then the rebate for Ibotta, you can do the deal twice. So you can get 2 cans of shaving lotion for less than $2. Pick those up. And then also, if you need some razors to go with the shave gel, these right here are the Chic Extreme 3s, sensitive, whatever, doesn't matter. They are $5.97. There's a $4 off coupon, which makes these $1.97. I'm just going to pick up 1 pack of these today. This also works for some of the Skintimate razors as well. All right, good deal on some soap. Now, this isn't soap that we actually use in our house, but I can break this open and give individual bars in my blessing bags. So they are $2.98 at Walmart. There is a $1 off coupon. I think it came out last week. I'm not sure. $1 off on any One Zest product, and then also there is a $1 on Ibotta, and you can do this deal 5 times on Ibotta. I'm just going to pick up 1 box a day. It's going to make this with the $1 off coupon, the $1 off on Ibotta, just 98 cents per box. All right, this is a great deal on the Cetaphil sunscreen stick. Great for putting it on your faces and your ears, those type of areas. So they are $7.97. There is a $2 off coupon that you could use on this because it is a sheer mineral stick. So you get $2 off coupon or a $4 on 2 of them. So we'll use the $2 off coupon. There's a limit of 2 coupons, so it will make it $5.97. And then there's a $3 off on Ibotta, and that brings it down to $2.97. Yeah. So yeah, $2.97 for those. And so $2.97 getting the Ibotta back, and also using the coupon. I believe the Ibotta is a limit of 5, so you can do this deal 5 times. So if you know that you go through sunscreen like this quickly, then go ahead and pick up 5 of them. If you want, I'm just going to pick up 1 of them today. Alright guys, so this isn't an incredibly big haul, but I did get a couple things that I needed and also things I wanted for later on. So submit that Ibotta, Swag Bucks, and Shopkicks for the items listed here. There's also a coupon for the razors, the Zest, the Cetaphil, and the Edge Shave Gel. So I'm going to check out and see what our total is. Guys, so everything I got in the video was about $33, and after coupons and the IBOTTA rebates and the swag buck rebates, I only paid $13. So let's just recap. I got 3 bottles of the Penoline. I got a bottle of the Great Value pasta. I got the razors, 2 things of the Edge Shave Gel, a little thing of the Cetaphil face block. I think that's it. Yeah, so $13 for that. So it wasn't the best thing. It wasn't the greatest haul I've had. But, you know, still got, you know, some good deals on some things. No money makers or freebies this week, and it just happens that way. So it's not a couponing fail. It's just not the best thing ever. I also submitted my receipt to Fetch, and I only got 25 points for the receipt itself. So no great deals on the Fetch rewards. But, if you guys are finding anything great at Walmart this week, please let me know in the comments. I would greatly appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share any videos that you like with friends and family. All right, thanks, guys. Bye.